This is your math gal, Julie Harland. Please visit my website at yourmathgal.com, where all of my videos are organized by topic. We're going to solve this equation, which has some fractions. And remember, to eliminate fractions, we're going to multiply both sides of the equation by the least common denominator. So there are two denominators. There's a 6 and a 3. You have to determine what the least common denominator is, and that would be 6. That's the number that both numbers divide into. So I'm going to multiply 6 by every term on both sides of the equation. So we have 6 times 5x over 6. We have the 6 times the 2, no fractions at all there. And then we have 6 minus 6 times the 2/3 x. And then we cancel. These 6's cancel. Everywhere there's a denominator, it should cancel. And we'll get a 2, right? So that's 1, 1. That goes in 2 times 1. So we don't have any denominators except 1 now. So on the left side, we have 5x equals 6 times 2 is 12, and minus 2 times 2x is 4x. And so now we have an equation without fractions. So we want to get the variables on one side, constants on the other, so we could add 4x to both sides. To do that, which is 9x is 12, and then just divide both sides by 9, and that gives us our answer. X equals 12/9. You could reduce that because 3 goes into both numbers, 4/3. So our solution looks to be 4/3. Now we want to make sure that's correct, so we want to check it by plugging that back into the original problem. Okay, so let's do that now. All right, so here's our original equation. We're going to check that if we put in 4/3 for x, we get the same thing on both sides. Now, notice this says 5 times 4/3 and then over 6. That would be a complex looking fraction. So I'm going to make note of something. When you have 5x over 6, that's the same thing as 5/6 times x. Make sure you agree with me there, because if you had x over 1, you would get the 5x over 6. And that's easier to write it that way, 5/6 times 4/3. So now we could reduce, I guess cancel. 2 goes into both of these. And we have 5 times 2, 10. And the denominator, 3 times 3, 9. So the left side is 10/9. There's no reason to change that to a mixed number. 10/9 is a perfectly good number. We are totally happy with improper fractions in math. You don't have to change to mixed numbers, just like 4/3. No problem. Okay, let's do the right-hand side. So here we have 2 minus 2/3 times x, and this time what am I plugging in for x? I'm plugging in 4/3. And so I'm doing my order of operations. So I've got to do my multiplication first. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 3 is 9. So I have 2 minus 8/9. Now, there's more than one way to do this problem. I'm going to do it by getting a common denominator. So I'm going to write my 2 as 2 over 1. And then I'm just going to multiply the numerator and denominator by 9, so they both have a denominator of 9. That's just one way you can do this. So I have 18/9 minus 8/9. And now that you have a common denominator, you could subtract, get 10/9, and voila, same number on both sides. So this is indeed the correct answer. This is your math gal, Julie Harland. Please visit my website at yourmathgal.com, where all of my videos are organized by topic.